What's the meaning of color code? Color code. Color code.
Color code. Color code. A color code is a system of using colors to represent information, such as data or instructions. It's typically used in computer programming, electrical engineering, and other technical fields. Each color represents a specific value or function, allowing for quick and easy identification of information. For example, in computer programming, color codes are often used to indicate different syntax elements, making it easier for programmers to read and understand their code. Overall, color codes are a convenient tool for conveying complex information in a simple and visually appealing way.